The existing method of transferring the material and the film is done by the delivery of pressure done to rolls in between by attaching the nip roll that goes up and down to the operating roll. This method provides the chances to deliver other substances and result in repetitive rolling trace prints when there are other substances traced up on the nip roll. Moreover, it left the possibilities of safety accident dangers when operation and makeup works are done, since narrowness and roll-ups may occur. Suction roll is a device that covers up the drawbacks of the existing film delivery methods. Suction roll acts out the film delivery by using the suction capacities without the nip rolls and uses nickel mesh to open up certain number of holes. It maximizes the suction capacity and adheres to the backside of the film for delivery. The basic structure of a suction roll consists of the suction roll, suction preen, and the suction barrel. It is a machinery that cuts down the substance transfer rates, scratch transfer amounts, and safety accident possibilities caused by the absorption to zero, which the existing material delivery method have resulted in. Consequently, it enhances the productivity and the working environment. The existing suction roll, which are usually imported from Japan, composes of inner, outer container, and the mesh net. It is a fixed inner container spinning outer container type, and the suction angles are subject to change upon the curved parts in the inner container. The drawbacks of the existing suction roll is that the durability of the mesh net, which covers up the surface, is weak. As it is made up of nickel, corrosion is likely to occur in optical PVA film machinery facilities, which uses the chemically resistant substances. When film adjustments or cleaning for altering product form transformation takes place, since the suction roll's surface is weak, coverage costs are up to 10 million Korean won when the damage is done. Second, when the fixed inner container and the spinning outer container structure is asked for high-tension operation, it cannot be operated properly. 300 newtons is capable for the machine run without any difficulties. But when the limits are beyond due to roll radius, inner and outer container is stuck together, creating mechanic friction, leaving iron dust and other substances. All spare suction rolls must be kept according to suction angles, as they are dependent on carved suction holes. Thus, spare coverage costs are followed. We would like to introduce a newly improved suction roll from Jstech, which have been developed after filling up the shortcomings from the past models. First, suction roll surface has been developed into SUS punch hole net with domestic patent. Suction roll surface is covered with SUS punch hole net made up of 1 mm holes, and damages even from knife blades are safe as chrome plating and grindings are done. It is easy for cleaning and material damage can be prevented since suction roll would roll up effectively. Punch hole scratches and other scratch dangers has been testified with films of various types with thickness of 20 microfilm. Second, patent is proved by unifying the inner and outer containers for enhancement, to fight high tension and to easily adjust suction angles. Unified inner and outer containers are durable for suction angle of 120 degrees and can fight up to 2,000 newtons for high tension operation. Suction angle adjustments has been easier to handle by replacing the Teflon metal in the inlet. Suction roll production could be done combining the strength of the previous suction roll and the newly made, according to the conditions of your company. Existing fixed inner container, spinning outer container with nickel mesh type, or our company's SUS punch hole net could be made for suction hole surface. Alternatively, our company's vacuum suction type with previous mesh net or with the SUS punch net could be made for suction hole surface. Our test suction roll machinery avails scratch check for product and tension capacity check test for work requirements with acknowledgeable time taken. You're welcome to order afterwards. Our suction roll is a device developed through collaborations with LG Chemistry and is installed for more than the number of 60 in PET, TEC, acrylic and PVA film machineries. We own 3 domestic patent rights related to suction roll in Korea and are on our process of applying the same rights also in Japan.
대기업과 협력업체가 상생하는 미담이 전해졌습니다. 바로 LG그룹 얘긴데요. LG그룹은 977개 협력회사에 총 8,400억 원의 자금을 지원해 상생 생태계를 구축하겠다고 밝혔습니다. 정선미 기자가 전해드립니다.
가공설비 회사인 Jstech도 이와 비슷한 경험을 했습니다. LG화학과 협력해 그동안 일본에서 수입해 쓰던 필름 잡아당기는 기계, 석션롤 국산화에 성공한 것.
LG화학과 협업해서 새로운 개념의 구조를 가진 석션롤을 개발하고 그걸 다시 LG화학에 테스트하면서 결과적으로 저희가 성공적으로 마칠 수가 있었습니다.
LG그룹의 상생 생태계 구축이 다른 대기업들에게 좋은 본보기가 될 것으로 기대됩니다. 연합뉴스TV 정선미입니다.
Inquiries regarding suction rolls could reach us through phone calls, homepage, and online consultations, and we are more than happy to hear your concerns.